Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I am a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and vlogs. I will link our shop SNC Budget Creations down below, as well as the freebie for the month of October so you can grab it before it's gone. And next month we have a new one for you. You're gonna love it. I do anyway. Okay, I won't put that kind of pressure on you to love what I love, but you'll love it. Anyway, you're probably wondering, what the heck are we doing here on a Tuesday with this girl? Why is she posting like this? Well, what ended up happening was Saturday, I posted my Christmas bingo, right? And I was so excited about it. And I was going to try to figure out where I was going to get money to, put a little bit more to it. And I said, okay, what I'll do is I'll take 25 bucks from my YouTube paycheck, right? Because that's smart, and put it into savings. This is the perfect way to save it. Yay! I'm so smart. I am so smart sometimes. Okay, so at 25 bucks, I didn't get change, and I was thinking, get the change. And now, since I pressed record, we are just going to do this. Okay, let's see. We've got to get 20. We just need 20 out of there because, okay, let's just get through this. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. $20. Okay, so now we should have $25 in smaller bills so we can play bingo. Oh yeah, I forgot about the IOU. It hasn't been that long, girl. What are you thinking? Okay, I'm going to pull out my playing cards so I can figure out my situation. Oh, and I need my bingo card so we know what we're working with. Okay, let me get organized here. Figure this out, how I need to set this up so we can play this game. This is the bingo card that I'm playing. It is $116 plus with the special cards if you want to, venture out and be a little bit brave. So let's see here. I hope I'm in frame. I can't tell. I thought I had a solid deal. Anyway, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so it is $25 here. So we'll go ahead and scoot and okay, sorry, I was trying to make sure you guys are in frame because stuff happens when, you're recording. We need to pay this $3. 1, 2, 3. And now we have the 7 done, which I should not have colored in, and I didn't realize it last time. But now we've got it settled and everything's good to go. We have the regular playing cards, which tell you which letter that you're going to play, right? And then I decided, because I want to save a little bit more than the $116, I'm adding in a few of the smaller numbers. Let's do up to 5. I'm not quite to 10 yet. 5 is already steep. I'm not sure we should do 6. So, let's see. Okay, I think that's good. So we have a 3, a 4, and a 5, and I'm just gonna put these back off to the side. Okay, so I'm either going to pull a 3, 4, or a 5 if I roll, or excuse me, if I pull a card that is a 1 or 2 or 3, just so I can add in a little bit more cash, but not crazy, right? So we're down to $22. Okay, I've got to remember that because my IOU slip is right next to me if I need it, but I don't have alcohol to wipe it off. 1 second, guys. Okay, I figured my life out. I grabbed an IOU slip. We're just gonna get started now. I know exactly how to stress myself out. Give me a few minutes alone and I will figure out a way to make things more chaotic than they need to be. Let's move on. We are going to shuffle these cards a little bit and see what we are pulling first. Oh, $1. $1? Okay, $1. I don't know if that's still in frame, but we're going to add $1 here. And we are going to color in our $1 spot. And we are going to pull one of these beauties here and see what we are going to be putting into our envelope. Okay, let's see. $4. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. $4. And maybe we should just make change because now that's settled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just in case, we'll put a 5 there. Done. Okay, back to it. Let's see, let's see. So I don't know if any of you guys actually play bingo. I play bingo whenever I can possibly go and get a couple bingo cards, and I play. It's actually, I love bingo. So, all right. So, oh, I picked up 2, but we're going to do B2, which is $7. And because it's not a 1 or a 2 or a 3, we're not doing an extra card, but we're going to put $7 there. Yes. Okay. My plan is to try not to get an IOU. Ugh. Okay. Let's color in that 7 because we need to know the progress we are making. Oh, I have one more to get a bingo. And I was thinking if I get a bingo to give myself $1 more, to stuff $1 more. Okay. So the plan is to make sure this challenge saves us more than 116. All right. So what do we have here? G3, $9. Oh boy. Okay. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. Yay, $9. Okay. So this is gonna get tricky here because I only have $1 left. Okay. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? How about we just shuffle the cards, hope for $1, and then if we have to do an IOU. Okay, come on, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1. Okay, let's see. Who thinks it's $1? I believe it's $1. Come on. 04. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was so close. Either way, right there. Okay, 04 is $3. I'm just gonna put a dot there so I'll remember that's where I was working on saving. So we have $1, and I need to do an IOU for $2. Oh gosh. Okay, fine. I can live with $2. It's way better than 10. Okay, let me get myself together. We need to see. So we're adding in $25. We owe 2 more. But I did not count it last time because I am, you know, a slacker. But let's go ahead and count it this time so we can know exactly how much we have in there. And then I will put everything away after. Let's see. So 20. Oh man, this is so much fun. I would love to continue on doing this bingo card and get it done. Okay, wish me luck, guys. So we have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, $70. I have $70 ready to go into my PTO. So I don't even know how much the rest of this is going to be. I'm going to continue on trying to hustle and get these funds together to get all of as much as I can into my PTO. I am going to, I think I'm going to put the other smaller numbers back into play. Yeah, I'll work on that. And you guys don't have to sit through that. I will not torture you like that. I mean, I want the content on, you know, whatever, but a lot of stuff I feel like you could be watching another video. But I do appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.